Eggs have long been celebrated as a nutritional powerhouse, earning their place on breakfast tables and in countless recipes worldwide. Rich in high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and healthy fats, they are often considered a cornerstone of a balanced diet. However, what's nutritious for one person might not be ideal or even safe for another. For individuals with specific health conditions, consuming eggs could potentially do more harm than good. While eggs offer numerous benefits such as supporting muscle growth, boosting brain function, and providing vital nutrients like choline, their impact is not universally positive. Factors such as allergies, cholesterol levels, digestive issues, and certain chronic diseases can make eggs a problematic choice for some. For these individuals, consuming eggs may lead to uncomfortable symptoms, aggravate underlying conditions, or increase health risks. In this video, we will explore the key health problems that might make avoiding eggs a wise decision. Understanding these health-specific concerns is crucial for making informed dietary choices that support overall well-being. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends. Doing so helps more people discover the channel. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations. 1. Egg allergies. Egg allergies are among the most common food allergies. This immune system reaction occurs when the body mistakenly identifies proteins found in eggs as harmful. The most common proteins that trigger these reactions are found in the egg whites, but some people can also be sensitive to the yolk. The severity of an egg allergy can vary from mild symptoms like skin rashes to life-threatening conditions such as anaphylaxis, a severe allergic reaction that requires immediate medical attention. Symptoms often appear shortly after consumption and may include hives, swelling, difficulty breathing, stomach cramps, vomiting. In severe cases, individuals may experience anaphylactic shock, involving symptoms like rapid blood pressure drops, throat swelling, and breathing difficulties. This is a medical emergency requiring immediate attention, often involving epinephrine injection. Managing egg allergies involves avoiding eggs in all forms, cooked, raw, or as ingredients in processed foods. Many common foods contain eggs, including cakes, cookies, mayonnaise, pasta, salad dressings, some sauces. Even products that seem egg-free may contain trace amounts due to manufacturing cross-contamination. Additionally, certain cosmetics, vaccines, and medications may contain egg-derived ingredients. 2. Heart disease and high cholesterol. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death globally, and dietary habits play a significant role in its development. Eggs are rich in cholesterol, particularly in the yolk, raising concerns for individuals with pre-existing heart disease or high cholesterol levels. Recent research has provided clarity on the connection between dietary cholesterol and blood cholesterol levels. While the effect varies among individuals, those with certain genetic predispositions, such as familial hypercholesterolemia, may experience significant increases in blood cholesterol levels even from small amounts of dietary cholesterol. Elevated cholesterol, particularly LDL, bad cholesterol, can contribute to buildup of fatty plaques in arteries, atherosclerosis, increased heart disease risk. 3. Type 2 diabetes. The relationship between eggs and diabetes is complex. While eggs do not directly affect blood glucose levels, research suggests some concerns for diabetics, increased risk of cardiovascular disease when consuming eggs regularly, potential inflammatory responses that may affect insulin sensitivity, complications when eggs are consumed with high-calorie or high-fat foods. 4. Chronic kidney disease. For individuals with CKD, managing protein intake is crucial for maintaining kidney function. Eggs, while an excellent protein source, can present challenges. High-quality protein can increase nitrogen waste. Phosphorus content may accumulate in the blood. Potential complications including bone problems and cardiovascular disease. Healthcare professionals often recommend working with a dietitian to create appropriate meal plans, possibly including plant-based protein alternatives like beans, lentils, and quinoa. 5. Skin conditions. Eggs may affect skin health, particularly for those with acne-prone skin or other dermatological conditions. Egg whites contain histamines that can trigger inflammation. Potential hormonal impacts when consumed in large quantities may contribute to increased oil production and acne development. 6. Egg intolerance. Unlike an allergy, egg intolerance involves difficulty digesting egg proteins, particularly in egg whites. Common symptoms include bloating, gas, diarrhea, stomach cramps, nausea. While eggs are highly nutritious and versatile, they may not be suitable for everyone. Those with these health conditions should consult healthcare providers or dietitians to determine whether to avoid or limit egg consumption. Fortunately, numerous alternatives exist, including plant-based options that can provide similar nutritional benefits without the associated risks. Remember to always make dietary changes under professional guidance to ensure your nutritional needs are met. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to NutriNook for more evidence-based nutrition content that helps you make informed dietary choices for your health and well-being.